India is seeking to produce the primary ammunition for its Russian-made T-72A and T-90S Bhishma tanks at local factories. The gun barrels of these tanks are unable to fire high-penetration APFSDS rounds due to a limitation of safety margins. Therefore, the Indian Army has put up a requirement to domestically develop ammunition with a minimum depth of penetration of 530 mm in order to enhance the lethality of the armament within the existing safety, consistency, and shelf life criteria. The Indian Army expects a supply of 85,000 such rounds by the end of this year.